This is what $6 million gets you in Bukit Timah, District 11, Singapore. This 4-level cluster SemiD was completed in 2012, houses 4 beds, 4 baths, fully renovated and ready for occupancy. We give you Watten residences. So here's a full rundown of the property. It was completed in the year 2012 in District 11 Bukit Timah on Watten Rise, in Hillcrest sub-planning zone with a building control of 2-storey mixed landed residential zoning, in a freehold cluster landed of 59 units. Here are some highlights of the home. It's 4 levels, 4 beds, 4 baths, 1 entertainment room in the basement, private pool, private lift, 1 open terrace, a balcony, bomb shelter, maid's room and 2 car parking lots. So let's start off here with a little bit of direction. If you're facing out, this is the west facing the north. So you're northwest facing from the house, and depending on how you're looking at it, I like to view this home as the front. So right on the front terrace, looking down, you have a beautifully horizontal pool, then you have stairs up all the way onto this beautiful landing. You have overhead awning that extends out, so in case you want to have guests, you can really put this thing out and have a ball of a party because you can shade it. And in case you're thinking about doing laundry, this is also usable. Then let's come into the home. You're stepping right into 2.8 meters ceiling height throughout. And from the marble floor tiles all the way to the other end, you'll realize that this is 10.5 meters in terms of length, and you've got 5.6 meters by width. If you're just considering the living room depth, then you've got 4.6 meters by width. It's a very decent size. You've got 600 by 600 genuine marble tiles, and this is Tundra Grey that line it beautifully all the way into an open kitchen. So you have the island quartz over here, counter over there as well. You've got the European fittings built in for you. Fridge space and carpentry has been done up for you. These are collapsible swivel doors that have been put in place for you, but also they can close up this space and then close it entirely. You've got decking out here, and this area has been extended with an outdoor hob and exhaust area. You even have a space for your laundry. Then you've got more outdoor recessed space. Then you realize by the side of this SemiD, you have planters both on the exterior of the kitchen and the exterior of the living rooms, and these let in a lot of natural light because you've got full height glass panels just dropping down and layered by some greens to just soften the facade. Now let's go up right away to the attic. So up on the attic, so let's go to the plan. So the attic level is essentially divided into 2 parts. You have 2 common rooms of good size, a common bathroom in the middle, and one with an extended balcony. So this common room is fully fitted with wardrobe, AC, fan, and you've got half panel glass windows that open out this way for ventilation, and you're just looking onto the cluster of terraces, and you can really admire the beautiful architecture each day. This is 2.6 meters by 3.5 meters in terms of length. Ceiling height is 2.8 meters, and it carries into the next room in the common area as well, and we have a common bathroom. Have a quick look. Now let's come into this room that has been converted into a full-on study with carpentry that runs across the width of this angle over here. You will find the flooring is wood look-alike tiling, which is very, very warm, and you have your wardrobes done up for you. And because it's the attic level, they all follow the 45 envelope angle rule, and it kind of slopes down here. You realize that you've got a bunch of glass windows and then a sliding door that leads you out into the balcony, where you have an additional planter that lines over here, and you can look out into the Watten estate. So this room spans 5 meters depth from this wall all the way to that wall. In the width section, you have 3 meters of width, and it's very, very good size. Now let's go down into the master. Coming through the stairwell area, the architecture is very complementary to take in a lot of sunlight. It also complements the trellis structure that overlays the roofing, so you get to see the shadows cast in very beautifully. Then we're on to second level. Essentially, when we go to the floor plan, you'll realize that this level is also a dissection into 2 halves, both of them ensuite. So let's go into the master first. So in the master, you have pretty much a squarish layout with a 3.2 meter width by 3.5 meter depth. You have again 2.8 meter ceiling height that carries across the whole level. This master has structural bay windows put in for you, this soft cushioning where you can use it as a day bed. To obviously read in the noon or just rest and relax if you like. Then you've got huge window panels that look out, and the architecture has created these trellises that are enclosable if you want some privacy. Otherwise, if you want natural light, you can just swivel them across, and they're very nice and aesthetic to look at from the outside. The master has a built-in wardrobe. Then we're coming into the master bathroom. Let's go across into the junior master, and you will realize the junior master has actually additional space, and this is 4.7 meters depth by a 3.2 meters width, and the additional space goes into this nook where carpentry is already done up for you. If you wanted to, you can obviously knock it down and create more wardrobe space. You have wardrobe spaces here, and then let's go into the bathroom. Now I'm going to take you down to the basement. So straight out through the lift landing, you're immediately facing the east, which is what I consider the main door. And if you will just have a quick look, in front are 2 parking lots nicely fitted for you. Your refuse goes there, carpentry fitted for your shoes and whatnot in the front. Then as you come in, you'll find that there is a stairwell that leads you up to the living room, and it is beautifully cladded by slab-cut marble that complements the living room. The basement also comes with a concealed bomb shelter for your storage, and then you're coming into one of my favorite spaces in this house, which is the family room. A nice tropical wallpaper has been done up here. You have glass window panels that open up for ventilation. AC is put in for you. So this could be a play area, a study area, a home office, whatever you desire. There's a full-on bathroom with shower that is nicely ID'd. Then on the opposite end, there is the helper's room that has been fitted with 2 bunk beds. If you're thinking about schools, Raffles Girls, Nanyang Primary, Hwa Chong, and National JC are amongst the many fine institutions in the area. For your convenience, Kah Kee MRT and cold storage are just 5 minutes radius. So if you like what you see, give us a call. I'm Nick Tan, selling Singapore, and we'll be happy to show you the place. I'll see you soon. So right on the front area, there is right on the front porch, right on the front terrace. So I must close first. Okay, never mind, I just walk up, come. Where you have an additional planter that lines over here, and you can look out into the Watten estate. Cut. Then